question is, why would you think that you need to spend so much money when it comes to create content? I mean, it's not that you should invest, but you should actually spend what you just probably, it's in your hands, I would say it. My name is Carla again, and if you're part of this channel already, definitely you're super welcome again, my friend. You can let me know in the comment section, of course, have you had to, spend a little bit of extra money? Maybe you are starting already with content creation. Maybe you're an aspiring content creator. Definitely you have to stay in this video because I'm going to talk about it, and I would say, yes, you could actually use that money and invest in the right moment and in the right time, I would say. But if you are starting right now with content creation, or you're planning to start the following month, maybe, who knows, you don't need to spend a lot of money. You do not need to go exaggerated. Instead of that, you should concentrate and just a little bit, starting to use whatever is budget, probably whatever it's in your hands, whatever it's affordable. And yes, it's true, you can get under $50, whatever setup for your beginning content creation journey. So definitely I would go and show you right now at least, I would say, 3 of the tools that it's been game changer since the beginning of my content creation. And of course you can double check in the screen because I'm going to put a little bit of pictures, and you can compare what's convenient and what's right now trending, or probably in the market like Amazon or other shopping online, that probably it could be so affordable for you, so you can start as soon as possible. So the number one, I'm not going to show it because right now I'm actually filming with it, okay, that it could be any type of smartphone. I mean, you would say, well, yeah, that's not under $50, but just take a look and think for a moment. Yeah, I mean, you don't even need to spend extra money because you do have already a smartphone. And I'm telling you, my friend, it could be kind of like a plus. I guess it could be maybe a generational thing. Okay, I'm a millennial, so if you know how we are, we're much more practical. Okay, I'm using right now, believe it or not, I'm using an Android phone right now. Now, if you do possess an iPhone, if you want to scale and go for it, you had it already probably, and you just don't know how to use it for content creation, go ahead and start using it. The iPhone, whatever type of number and, type of iPhone that you have, it's perfect. The quality tends to be, as it should be. The resolution, you can play with it, and Android also, but in a different way. That'll be the number one. So like I said again, that's the one that I'm right now recording, and I'm telling you these tips, my friend. So that'll be number one. It's included probably in your budget. But number two, why don't we go to the very easy tool that you must have, but not all the time. But if you want to start with something kind of budget, definitely you can double check the lavalier that I've been using this one so far when it comes to create content for short form. When I meant to say short form, that means, as you must know again, like shorts on YouTube or TikToks, in the actual platform of TikTok. So you can see it right here in the screen, and it's pretty much very little one. Okay, it brings you 2. Okay, there's a lot of types for the lavalier brand. This video is not a sponsor by any of these brands, but the one that I purchased, okay, it comes with 2 options, so it'll be 2 little microphones. Now these microphones, of course, what you are gonna do is make sure to charge it all the way. I would say like 20 minutes, 25 minutes, okay. USB charger, of course, and it brings you, I would say, another USB thing that you're supposed to connect it to your phone, to your cell phone. And once it's connected to the cell phone, it'll be, it will bring you to the Bluetooth section of your phone, and you're just gonna assure, that the settings is well put for this microphone. The sound, I'm telling you, it's pretty good. It's affordable, like I said, and it could be, a first step for your quality sound videos. And this is what I really like it, because it comes with I would say, where is it? I have it. Okay, it's right here. With a clip too. So let's say that I want to clip it, and I'm gonna put it up here. Wait. So it comes with a bag also, little package thing. So As you must know, again, you see over here, okay, and the microphone is right here. And just to show you, the clip, it's over here. So when you put the clip on, you can grab it and adjust it, maybe in your shirt, maybe in your blouse, or whatever you call it. So right now it's not that perfect, of course, but it will stay in there. And again, you can click on it, you clip it, and then you start talking, and you make sure at the same time that you have the other USB thing connected to your phone through the Bluetooth settings. And I would say the audio, yes, it's totally much more quality. The second one is totally game changer, because a lot of people, they don't tend to I would say pay attention to the light, but I'm telling you right now, as you can see, I have the sunlight in front of me, but I'm gonna focus, let's say if it's nighttime and I want to do those videos, you know, with the right light that is really bright enough. And I would say, I don't think this one cost me more than $35. Okay, I do remember that the one that I had, it was much more cheaper because I was in a rush. So it's funny, you don't need to spend that much, like I was saying again, but you still can double check in the screen, because I'm about to put other photos of other products too. So let's say that, of course, you're supposed to charge this with the USB, and this is what I really love about the one that I have, because it's gonna, if I turn it on, I'm gonna click on that side and it will give you the amount of, if you want to put it darker or lighter, right? So imagine you have over here the light, and you can put your cell phone over here, and then while you're putting your cell phone right here, and then you're here, let's say, right, the light would help you to get much more presentable, to have that light that you're supposed to get all the time when you're speaking, again, who knows, on that camera, and you want to give that message on TikTok or YouTube or whatever platform. So it gives you one option. I would say the second option is super white. Let's say if I want to put it a little bit much more lighter, it will give you that one. So, you know, I just turn that off now. And this is what I really love about the light, the ring light that I have. This is a ring light, like I was saying again. It gives you the, I would say, a little bit of levels. So I can adjust it over here. So I can go down, okay? Right, if I want to go much more upper, then I will go and adjust it. This is, again, the one that I have. There's other types of ring lights that you don't need to, you know, to have different levels. They could be shorter, and like I was saying. And the third one that I would say is game changer, but it's up on the content creator. Actually, there's much more tools, but these are the ones that are pretty much I've been using for the last 3 years consecutive. And I have to say that if you do have this tripod, it would help you so much, and it would work wonderful. So this tripod would help you pretty much to hold your cell phone. And as you can see, again, it's right here, and I can open it. So let's say if I want to keep it, you know, vertical, my cell phone, or if I want to go horizontal over here. So I'm supposed to put it right here, and of course I can adjust it as much levels as I need it. You see this? Now it's longer. And if I go, you know, if I want to go down, okay, I have here the camera better, and I can play with it. And of course, the tripod, it's been helping me for any type of video. So definitely there is no excuse to start your content creation. And like I said again, this is part of my tools that I actually started, I would say 5 years ago. But you know, up and running, I've been changing and up leveling my tools. But these are the tools, like I said again, that if you do want to start it, really budget, under $50, like I said, you have to go for it. If you know much more tools of it, you know, let me know in the comment section. Of course, you can like this video, and of course subscribe on time, because there's much more tutorials and tips for you, my friend, who, you know, who probably just started your content creation journey, or you're an aspiring content creator. I see you in the next one.